my channel. So today it is day 11 of Vlogmas. We are literally, let's see, we are literally 14 days away from Christmas, you guys. Hope you guys got your Christmas list together. Alright, so on today's agenda today, we are going to bake some cupcakes. I went and got some confetti cupcake mix, if y'all can see. Also with the matching icing. And I have my cupcake tray. And we're going to bake some cupcakes also. Alright, now that I got my apron on, I'm going to wash my hands. We are about to start baking. But wait, get into my apron, you guys. Can y'all see? It's the confetti. Alright, so let's go ahead and bake some cupcakes. So the ingredients, it says, let's see, we're doing a whole egg. 3 whole eggs, half a cup of oil, and 1 cup of water. I already have my bowl. My oven is already set to, what are you doing, Cece? My oven is already set to 350. So what I have to do now, mix in a bowl, mix the cake mix, my water, oil, and eggs. Get all that in there. And now I need 3 eggs. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. So now that I did the 3 eggs, I'm going to get 1 cup of water. I have my 1 cup of water. All right, now half a cup of oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the side now that I'm done. And we are going to fill up the cookie sheets. Alright you guys, so now I have me a measuring cup. I'm going to scoop some of the mix into the trays so evenly so that I could pop them in the oven. Let's start from the back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is what they look like, and this is what I was saying. I think the white ones are way a little bigger because you see how the red ones just go right in and all the white ones is kind of like crunched up. Oven is already preheated, so we're about to go ahead and put that in the oven. Alright you guys, now we're about to mix it up with this cake batter. So on the back of the cake batter, I saw an ice cream cone. It said confetti cupcake cones. I'm like, what's that? I turned to the side, you guys, and I could make a whole cake in a cupcake cone. So that's what we got to do with the rest of the batter. It's basically the same ingredients. The only thing is just with a cone, and I'm leaving it in there longer, and I'm doing 3 tablespoons in each cone. So I already went ahead and laid out my 6 cone. I have my tablespoon, and I'm about to fill them up. Y'all, this would taste so good with some vanilla ice cream. Mmm. So that's 1 scoop. 2 scoops. And 3. Yes, Trey. You like your mama. You want to be heard so bad. So that's 3 scoops. Said 3 scoops. 10 minutes left on the timer for the cupcakes, but this is what the cones looking like. So this is what the cones look like. You fill them up with cake batter. Okay, now that I put the cones in the oven, I'm going to set my phone alarm for, it says 25 to 28 minutes. So we'll do 25, 26 minutes. And timer starting, and I will see you guys once everything is done.
1 hour later.
Now that the cupcakes and cupcake cones have cooled down, I'm going to ice. I'm going to actually use a baby spoon because I don't want to use too much. I'm just trying to.
That's my son's spoon.
It is Trey's, but I'm going to use a big. My sister's on the phone again.
What you gonna eat with tonight?
And now I'm about to ice them.
A few moments later.
Alright, you guys, so this is what the cake and cupcake cones are looking like. Y'all, they came out so good, and I bet you they're about to taste so delicious. But this is how they're looking. Yay! Trey is so ready to eat one, so we're about to taste. TT's gonna take this one. Okay. Good? Mm-hmm. This came out good, guys. I like it. You like it? Mmm. Good job. Alright, you guys. I'll see you later on the next vlog.